shift clock hit 12:03. Down in Gallery 5 beneath the spillway scene. 3 men checking pressure gauges, logging every line, when something moved behind the wall that wasn't on their minds. A low hum rolled through 40 feet of stone. Not the turbines turning, not a telephone, just a distant knocking where no tunnel ran, like somebody buried deep was trying to reach a hand. At the night shift at Hoover Dam, they heard it again at 1:15 a.m. 3 slow knocks, then silence in the dark. Echoes crawling through the concrete heart. Nobody found a source, nobody made a sound, but every man on duty wrote the same thing down at the night shift at Hoover Dam. Foreman Ruiz walked the passage with a flashlight beam, following the rhythm through the cooling galleries, past the pipes and inspection doors where the shadows gathered tight. The knocking stopped completely when he stepped into the light. Back upstairs, the river flowed black and cold below. Vegas burned in the distance like a city made of gold. But deep inside the structure where the midnight worker stood, something tapped from somewhere that nobody understood. At the night shift at Hoover Dam, they heard it again at 1:15 a.m. 3 slow knocks, then silence in the dark. Echoes crawling through the concrete heart. Nobody found a source, nobody made a sound, but every man on duty wrote the same thing down at the night shift at Hoover Dam. The old-timers tell a story from the building days about a survey crew that vanished in a cave-in maze. Records say they all came out, every soul accounted for, yet some swear they hear boots walking where there isn't any floor. A radio crackled static in an empty room below. Then a voice said, "Hold the line," soft and low. The channel wasn't active, the batteries were dead. The operator quit that morning, never spoke of what he heard. Every gauge was running right, no pressure lost, no warning signs, no trouble for the night. But the knocking came one final time from somewhere deep within. 3 slow strikes against the wall, and then it never came again. The reports were filed away and locked inside a drawer. Just another strange occurrence nobody could explain for sure. Still, if you're working graveyard when the tourists all are gone, listen close beyond the turbines when the river sings along. At the night shift at Hoover Dam, they heard it again at 1:15 a.m. 3 slow knocks, then silence in the dark. Echoes crawling through the concrete heart. Nobody found a source, nobody made a sound, but every man on duty wrote the same thing down at the night shift at Hoover Dam. places people build long after plans are finished and the paperwork is filled. And beneath the desert moon, where the Colorado runs, there are sounds inside the concrete that still trouble certain ones.